Okay, so I've had a couple questions about the thesis statements, whether you're doing thesis statement A or thesis statements B. So I'm going to go and explain this to y'all. So it says read the prompts and write a thesis statement for each prompt. Just a thesis statement. This is not a whole essay, just a thesis statement. Okay. Remember to turn the prompt into a question and then answer the question in a complete sentence if you are struggling to come up with a thesis statement. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. All right. So here we have the first prompt says write an essay stating your position on whether society is too dependent on technology. So for me, I struggle with writing thesis statements. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this into a question. And usually I know what question words are. So I know is a question word. So I'm just going to switch these two words around and I should be able to come up with a question. All right. So the question I'm going to come up with is society too dependent on technology? All right, so this is just a question. This is not my thesis statement. All right, I got it all just from here. Okay, now I made this question up myself. This question is not on the prompt. This is a sentence right here. So what I'm not going to do is answer this yes, yes, or no. I'm going to answer it in a complete sentence without using yes or no. So I'm going to say society is too dependent on technology. And I can stop it there if I want to. But say I want to add my reasons in. So then I can go and say, society is too dependent on technology, and I can give because, and then I can list my reasons. Okay? Okay, because, and I can say because everyone needs it to function on a daily basis. Okay? Boom. That's my thesis statement. And that's all you're writing. Okay? That's it. You can stop it there or you can add in your reasons. Okay, guys? And then you just go to the next one. Now, when you skip toward the end, I'm going to go to question 10 here. Question 11, it says, choose any one of the prompts you wrote a thesis statement for and write an introduction for it. Make sure to write in what prompt you chose. So I'm going to write about the one about technology. So I might say prompt technology. Technology for the society is now I'm going to write an introduction for this one. So I need to know I need to have a hook. I need to have a counter argument statement. I need to have a thesis statement. Okay, so now you're going to write an introduction for for whichever prompt you want to choose it. Whatever prompt you want to choose, okay? And then for the next question, you're going to write a body paragraph. Okay, so one body paragraph to the prompt of your choice. And that's all, guys. That's all you're doing. Okay? Hope that answers your questions. If you have any more questions, then reach out to me and I will see if I can meet up with you one-on-one so that you can get the help you need.